report.
Is the woman? She's walking straight for us.
Probably just a local. Better to be safe. Go on, I'll cover you.
Oh, hi.
Hello?
How you been? You just moved into the big Jacksonville place? With my grandma? Anyway, I think I might be your nearest neighbor. Anyway, give me these cookies, chocolate chip, kind of like a reverse Holden wagon, I guess.
Thank you.
I don't usually push you, especially because we just met now, but are you okay?
What?
You're bleeding.
Oh. Yeah. Boning acid. It looks worse than it is.
Can I help?
No, I'm fine.
Are you sure? I mean, I don't know what I have over at my house, but I'm happy to go to the pharmacy for you and pick you up something.
I just need to rest. Thank you.
Okay, sure. Change your mind and just way over there. Number 298.
Thank you.
What do you think?
Like you said, local lady too much time on her hands.
All right. I got a picture of her. I'll run it this way. Hey, tell me the truth. Tell me something. What if she had a gun with intent to kill? What if she had a sniper hiding behind the tree? What then?
What if I was on her?
All right. You would have died with her, you idiot. You don't bring a sword to a gunfight. And listen, I don't want to die because my point man wants to run out in the yard and play fucking samurai. All right, you have a sidearm, you have a gun. You are a soldier. I want you to use it from now on. You understand?
Sir, yes, sir.
Sir, yes, sir. You bet your ass. How about the location? Still good for you?
Affirmative.
Await further instructions.
Oh, it looks great. don't know.